Welcome, everyone, to the February edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name's John McNamara of Highball Advisors. And, the year has started off okay. 2023 was an unbelievable year for the markets, that's for sure. Really, if you hung in there towards the end, that last quarter really did well. Because, once again, I was talking about all year, you're seeing inflation coming down. And as long as inflation keeps moving down, the markets should be poised to do okay. This month have a lot of stuff going on. The Whiteboard is 8 ways to reduce your taxes on your railroad retirement, okay? Tax season's coming up, so pay attention to that. The mailbag question is, does a fired railroader without 30 years with 30 years of service lose their railroad retirement benefits? Right? I get that a lot from railroaders thinking that once they leave the railroad, they might lose their retirement benefits. So check that video out. And on the checklist, once again, going back to taxes, what documents do I need to file for my 2023 taxes, right? Making sure you check all the boxes, get all the documents that you need to get your 2023 taxes filed. And then lastly, on the economic slide I have is just what the stock market did in 2023, and they categorize it in 6 different categories. And this actually 23 was in the great category, greater than 20%. So really, really fantastic year. So railroaders, feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions on anything related to your railroad retirement. Until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.